In this class, we are going to see how to solve mathematical problem in a simple way. So no need to worry about it. You can easily understand. It is logically explained each and every problem. So carefully, without skipping the video, just see complete video and learn how to solve it very easily. Find the value of root 75 plus root 33 plus root 4 plus root 25. Let us see, it is very simple. So listen carefully. See, root of 25 is 5. Okay, so 5 plus 4 we get 9. Okay, 5 plus this 4 we have to take, and if we add these two we get 9. Then root of 9 is 3. Okay, so 3 plus 33, this 33. If we calculate it, it is 36. Okay, so root of 36, again we are getting 6. So 6 plus 75, it is 81. Again we have to find out the root of 81. We all know that root of 81 is 9, right? So the answer is 9. Okay, let us see. In a triangle ground, the sides adjacent to the right angle are 50 meter and 80 meter. Find the cost of the cementing the ground at rupees 5 per square meter. So to find out this, we need a formula, that is 1 by 2 BH. Okay, let us draw a triangle. The sides of this triangle, one side is 50 and another side is 80. It is already given. Okay, and this is a right angle triangle, it is given. Okay, right angle triangle, so that is 90 degree. So let us draw, and these are the two sides. So let us apply these values here. See, 1 by 2 into 50 into 80 into 5. Okay, the cost of the amount is 5 rupees. So let us calculate this also into 5. Okay, now let us strike this 2 here, strike it this 80, in the sense we get 40. So 50 into 40 into 5, we have to calculate it. Okay, 50 into 40 is 2000. So into 5 is 10,000. So the answer is rupees 10,000. So the cost of cementing the ground at 5 rupees per square meter is rupees 10,000. The total surface area of a solid right circular cylinder is 231 centimeters square. Its curved surface area is 2/3 of the total surface areas. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. Okay, so curved surface area is 2/3 of the total surface areas of a cylinder, right? So now we are going to find out with the formula 2 pi r square, this is for cylinder, and 2 pi r square, this is for the curved surface area. Okay, now let us see. So the total is 231. Okay, so we have to find out the third of the surface area, curved surface area. How we get? We strike it with a 3 and we get 77. So 77 into 2, it is 154. So let us put this value for this 2 pi RH 154, plus let us find out 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 and r square, okay, is equal to 231. Now let us take this value here, in the sense it is 231 minus 154 into 154 is equal to 77. Okay, so the value for this is equal to 77 now. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 77. Okay, so now what you are doing, we are taking this 7. Before taking the 7 here, we are dividing this by 11, so we are getting 2, and 77 by 11 is 7. Okay, so we simplify this, then we take this 7 here, so it becomes 7 into 7, and here it is 2 into 2. So r square is 7 into 7. This 2 into 2, when it goes here, it goes down. So this is r square value. Okay, r square value is 7 into 7 by 2 by 2. So r value is 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 means it is 3.5 centimeter, right? So 2 pi RH is equal to, let us apply this value, 2 into pi value 22 by 7, and r is 7 by 2 into h is equal to 154. This we know. This 154 we know, isn't it? Now let us strike this 2. Let me take this 2 we are striking. Okay, This 2 we are striking, this 7 we are striking here. Now 22 is here na, we are striking for 11. So 2 times 11, okay, 2 times 11, and here if we strike this 154 we are getting 14. Okay, we are getting 14 times 11. Now here how many are remaining? 2, and here 14. Now this we strike this 2, and this is how many 2's are here? 7 2's are there. Okay, so answer is 7 centimeter. So height is 7 centimeter. So the answer, our problem is find the radius and height of the cylinder. Radius is 3.5 centimeter, height is 7 centimeter. A cone and a cylinder have the same base area and the same curved surface area. If the height of the cylinder is 2.5 meter and the radius of the cone is 3 meter, then find out the volume of the cone. Formula for this, that is, for cone is pi RL and for cylinder it is 2 pi RH. Okay, so let us cut this pi and this pi and strike out this R and this R. Then what we get? L is equal to 2H. Okay, so L is equal to 2 into 2.5. This height is already given here. The height of the cylinder is 2.5. So let us apply here. 2 into 2.5 is equal to 5. So the length, we got the length. Okay, 2 meter. So volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. Okay, this L only we find out, that is the height of the cone. Okay, height of the cone we find out, that is 2h. Okay, 2h, that is 5 meter. 5 meter we find out. Now let us find the volume of the cone. Formula is 1 by 3rd pi r square h. Okay, 1 by 3rd pi. Let us keep the pi like that. This r is also, it is given, it is, the radius is 3 meter. Okay, so r square, right? So 3 into 3, and what is this? H, we have to find it out. So how to find the h? There is a formula. L square is equal to h square plus all square. Okay, so L square, L already we find it out, it is 5. So 5 into 5 it is 25. H square we have to find it. So how to find the h square? So let us see, this r square already given, it is 3 into 3, 3 is r, so 3 into 3 it is 9. Okay, so 25 minus 9 we got 16, so h square is equal to 16, so h is equal to 4. So let this apply this formula here. So 1 by 3 pi into 3 into 3 into 4. Okay, this h is we find here, right? So now this 3 is cancelled here. So pi, let it be like that. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12 pi meter cube. This is the volume of the cone. Okay. So let me explain once again the formula for the cone, and this is the formula for the cylinder. Okay. So formula for the cone is pi RL and formula for the cone is 2 pi RH. Okay. So let us strike this pi and this pi. Let us strike this R and this R. Now we got L is equal to 2H. Okay. Let us written here. This L is length of the cone. Okay, now let us see. So 2 into h, it is, h is given already. The height of the cylinder is 2.5. Okay, now 2 into 2.5, it is 5. So L is equal to 5 meter. L is in the sense this length. Okay, cone is having straight length is 2.5, but this length. Okay, what we can say? See, this is cone. Okay, cone in the sense this length is L now. Okay, L we find out what is that. This length is already given, it is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. So now volume of the cone 1 by 3rd pi r square h. Okay, so let us apply this 1 by 3rd pi into r. We know r is already given, it is radius for the cone as well as radius for the cylinder are same. So 3 into 3, and this h we have to find out. How to find out the h? Okay, L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L square we have to find. L we know that is 5. So 5 into 5 it is 25. Now h square, let it be. R we know that is 3 meter. Okay, so 3 into 3 9. So let us subtract this. 29 minus 9 is equal to 60. Now we got the value for h square. H square is 16, in the sense h is equal to 4. So let us apply this 4 here for the h. So what we got, let me strike this 3 here. So pi, let us write the pi here. 3 into 4, it is 12. So 12 pi meter cube is the volume of the cone. See, in this what we are going to do is find the difference between the simple interest and compound interest for a sum of rupees 8,000 lent at 10% per annum in 2 years. Okay, so formula is PR squared by 100 squared. This is the formula we have to keep in mind. The formula for this is, okay, formula for this is PR square divided by 100 squared. So now what is P, in the sense 8,000 rupees, or the P is 8,000 rupees into 10. 10 is 10%. Okay, 10% interest, and P R square now, so it is, again it is 10. Okay, now divided by 100 into 100. This is 100 square, right? So let us strike this, these two. Okay, and these two zeros, if we strike here, so now the answer is 80. So rupees 80 is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest. Okay, so this is the answer. Answer is 80. So what is the formula for this? PR squared by 100 squared. Okay, P is the principal amount, it is 8,000, we have written here. R is interest. Okay, that is 10%. 10% interest, so 10 R square, so 10 into 10 we have written. This is 100 square, 100 into 100. So if we strike all those things, we will get the answer. It is 80. Okay, so 80, the rupees 80 is the difference between the simple interest and the compound. Two unbiased dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting a doublet. Okay, so for this, first we have to find out the probability. Okay, if it is once rolled, the first rolling, what we get, in the sense 1 by 1, this may be the probability. Okay, 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, like that, 1 by 6 times we get. At the same time, if you write here, it is 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 6. Okay, up to 2 by 6 we have. And if you take the cross one, that is probability of getting a doublet. Doublet in the sense 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Okay, this is in this cross. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you calculate the total one, if you add the total one, we get it is 36 types of probability. Okay, so in cross, if you take getting a doublet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, if we take 6 by 36, it is 1 by 6. So the probability of getting a doublet is 1 by 6. See, let us see in this problem. A person crosses 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? Okay, so carefully listen this problem. A person crosses 600-meter long street in how many minutes? 5 minutes. So the problem is, what is the speed in kilometer per hour? Okay, so here it is given in meter. So what we have to do, first we have to convert this meter into kilometer. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 600 into 600, we can convert this into kilometer, in the sense we get 0.6. okay, 600 divided by 1000, we get 0.6 kilometer, right? And formula for this is kilometer per hour. Formula for this is kilometer per hour. So what is a kilometer? 0.6 kilometer divided by 1 by 12. How we got this 1 by 12? In the sense hour. So how many minutes? Within 5 minutes he is crossing. Okay, so how to calculate this in hour? In the sense 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, right? So 5 by 60, we get this fraction 1 by 12. So 5 by 60 is 12 times in 60. 5 is 12 times in 60, so 1 by 12. So this one 0.6 but divided by 1 by 12. Okay, if this 12 goes up, in the sense it is 0.6 into 12 is equal to 7.2. So His speed is 7.2 km per hour. Thanks for watching and subscribing this channel. Share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exam and also participating in DO exam and other competitive exams. Thank you. Thank you so much.